Last week I showed you guys how to take some old jeans and turn them into a lunch sack. Today I will show you how to take a lunchbox that your kids may have grown out of, or one that you might find at the Goodwill. I found this one for $1.49, and upcycle it into a handbag. So stay tuned. Next, you need to cut 2 strips that are 3 inches each by 3/4 inches wide. Stick a bolt through the hole you just punched, and then put that through the hole on the side of your lunchbox. Then screw on your bolt on the inside of your lunchbox, so you look like this. Repeat that on the opposite side. Clip on your strap if it has a little clip on it like mine does, and you are done. You can always take a strap off an old bag that you no longer carry and clip it on here.